Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable sharing iCloud analytics on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have. It is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit, go to the privacy and security. Once you're here, you want to swipe down again and go to the analytics and improvements. Here, as you can see, now I do have the share iCloud analytics to on. What it does, that it sends the data about the iCloud, using iCloud, everything you do in iCloud to the Apple to improve the, just iCloud services. If you don't want to share this data, just click on the button, make sure it's gray. Now the sharing is off, now it's on. And now it's off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.